I'm meteorologist Laura Thomas. Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. Another warm night, mild one ahead as we hit those 70s tomorrow morning, and we'll be warming up quickly once again. Expected to hit those 90s by noon, 100 during the afternoon hours, and we'll still be right there as we get into 5 o'clock. Wind speeds for the most part will be light, though we may have a few of those gusts up to around 20 miles per hour here in the valley coming up on Wednesday. 102 Phoenix, Glendale will hit 101 as well as Casa Grande. As you make plans to do anything outdoors, again, remember to try to do it before 10 a.m. if you can, before those temperatures really begin to rise. Stay hydrated, stay cool, wear plenty of sunscreen, or if you can't get out before 10 a.m., do it closer to sunset. Futurecast is going to show that overnight those shower and thunderstorm chances come to an end out east, but as we get into some heating tomorrow, past the noon hour, we'll once again see those showers and thunderstorms develop. Potential for some gusty winds. Lightning will also be a potential that could lead to some dry lightning out there. Still not expecting a ton of rain with these storms, but a little bit more moisture in that forecast. And you'll notice here in the valley, south central Arizona and out to the west, no changes. We'll be staying dry as we get into that Wednesday forecast, and then statewide drying out by Thursday. 43 in Flagstaff tonight, 63 in Kingman. Highs tomorrow pretty nice north in the 70s. 74 Heber, 82 in Payson, 102 Phoenix. Gila Bend at 199 in Tucson. As you look at your most accurate forecast with me, not going to get much relief. We stay dry over the next 7 days as well. We will have a few breezes Wednesday and also into Thursday. They may be just a little bit stronger. 99 degrees, that's it. The rest of the time we hit those triple digits each afternoon. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're back up to 105. Breezy next Tuesday with morning low temperatures in the 70s.